The Ridgefield School District is thrilled to present Family Leads the Way, its first ever Parent Partnership Summit. Join us on Saturday, May 20th for a free event packed full of hands-on, practical learning to help you support your students' education and development. Attendees will hear from a keynote speaker and can choose from dozens of breakout sessions led by Ridgefield educators and community members. Here are some of the topics you can choose from: kindergarten readiness, mastering Skyward, school and campus safety, tutoring resources, encouraging math and reading, becoming a foster parent, opioid prevention, suicide awareness and support, transitioning from middle school to high school, planning and paying for college, and so much more. Join us on Saturday, May 20th in Building B at Union Ridge Elementary School. Breakfast will begin at 8:30 with a keynote address starting at 9. There will be 4 breakout sessions to choose from, with lunch served at 11:30 right in the middle. Come for one session or come for the entire day. Either way, there's a little something for everyone. We can't wait to see you there.